Hi, and welcome to another lesson in our SolidWorks training tutorials. In this lesson, we will assemble several mechanical components and use the appropriate mates to move them as they would in a physical assembly. We will add a belt assembly feature to control the pulley motion. We'll also add appropriate mates to other components of the assembly to get the desired motion. So let's get into it. So if you open up the Advanced Mate folder in Lesson 1 Case Study and open up the Advanced Mate Assembly, we'll be greeted with this. Then if you click on the mate up here in the Assembly tab, close up Standard Mate, and if we go down to Mechanical Mate, and as long as you have nothing pre-selected, all these should be available for selection. So if we select the gear option, and if I zoom in on this, and if I just select the outer edge of that, and then zoom out, and the outer edge of the next one. So that gives me a ratio of 350 to 250. And if we just test that out, you see they're going in opposite directions. You can reverse the direction then to get them rotating in the same direction on that. But we're not actually going to use that one in this one, so that's just showing you the little gear ratio. So if I close out of that altogether and I don't accept it, if I come up here then to Assembly and Belt and Chain, and then in the belt members, if I pick the circle edge there, the bottom of the V pulley, and do the same in this one. And then we want to use this little idler as well. So I select the face on that. And a couple of things, we just move this up to that side. And if we flip the belt side, we get the belt going in there. Now, we're going to make this a driving pulley. So you can see here we get a sort of 2235 length for our belt. Now we probably wouldn't just buy the one that size, so if we change that to say 2 meters, and if I select belt thickness as well to give us a bit of a definition on this, and make it say 15, so that'll make it sort of 7.5 away from there and here, so give me a belt thickness of 15. And we could create a part from that. We're not in this instance, but we could create a part from that, and that would create our little belt. So click OK on that. And if you just want to check that everything's working okay, you can. Next then, let's clear that selection then, and select Mate. Mechanical Mates again, and this time we're going to select the slot option. And we're going to leave it constrained at free. And if I select the face of that little handle, and again the face of that slot, and you can just check that as well, just to make sure it's behaving okay. And click OK. And OK again. So next then we're going to do the little cam follower. So I go to Mate again. And select the cam follower option. Now I'm going to try and repeat that little arrow we got. So if I select the cam path is this, and the cam follower is this. So it appears to be kind of okay, but if you go to test it out, you notice it jumps to the bottom side there. So it's just a matter of actually just undo that. So if I pick the mate and mechanical mates and cam follower again, And see we get that working okay this time. And then just click OK. And we just do one little final test. Make sure everything's moving okay. And that's that complete. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like if you like this content, if you want to see more. And I'll see you in the next video.